Everyone is finding our dog math lessons very helpful, so here's another one. Some of these are tricky, so take notes. When I do one big stretch, and you don't say big stretch, it means I didn't do a big stretch. If the doorbell rings, that means the house is on fire. I will wake you up when I need a potty at 4 a.m., but I can hold it for 24 hours when it rains. When I take an 8-hour nap, it's actually only 20 minutes because that's how naps are supposed to work. When you break one tree into 2 pieces, that counts as 0 trees and you have to give me another one. When there are 5 dog beds in the house and 1 human bed, there's actually 6 dog beds because all beds belong to us. We are just generous enough to let you sleep in the big one with us. You're welcome.